Alright guys, here we go. We're trying to put a trade on with AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Looking at the daily chart, every candle's, 1 day of price action here. Actually holding up pretty well considering how volatile, all the assets have been in these legacy markets. And then let's go to the hourly chart. What we're looking for is potential support as price comes down, possibly a low pivot, high pivot, moving average, whatever it may be. It looks like we're just putting in a red candle, taking out all this to the left, all the previous, and we're just kind of in a free fall here. Even though it's several red candles, you can just imagine it being really one big red candle, even though we have several smaller ones there. Here's the 2-minute chart, and this thing is just nose diving right now. And we are getting far and away from the 20. So what we might try to do, you always want to trade the trend, but we're going to see if we can't get a little fancy here and trade counter trend. In other words, catch a bottom here and get a quick little reversal. And how we were looking to do that is that, like I was saying, this big red candle, if you connect them all together to the downside, and we're going to see if we can't catch a little pop to the upside, and then either short it, depending on where it comes up. Like right now, if it were to bounce this little pivot area here where we came down, then did a 180, complete reversal. Of course, we drop back down, but that could be supported one time, so it could be resistance this next. And yeah, this thing is definitely, the shorts are heavy on this puppy right now. So we're just sitting here holding and moding, waiting for it to, and putting on the top of candle that closes. Still got another minute, so that's in a 2-minute chart. Another minute's like the whole, like forever, it seems like, because anything can happen. We're kind of putting in a potential, spinning top doji. Yeah, here we go. Possibly a reversal here. And the reason being is that, another reason being is that, price can get far and away from the 20, but, the further away it is, whether you're on top and everything's green, you're in a, an up market, or like this, you're far and away and it's red and you're in a down market. At some point, it'll start trading, up to sideways and allowing that 20 to come back into price, so you can kind of counter trend that thing. And let's see if we can. It's about 15 more seconds. See if we can't get a quick pop, then we'll do 1,000 shares on margin. Looking for a long position, in other words, to come back up into this low pivot that was recently put in. Here we go, 1 second. And then if we take out this candle, we'll do it. Okay, here we go. And we're long, looking for a little bit more push to the upside. But if we take out that candle, we'll be out. Let me pull this over so you can see it. See if we get a little oversold bounce here. And see if we can't get a little bit more out of it. And we're going to be out at 220 because we're close enough to that white line. So let's see if we matter of fact, we might I might have missed it. Well, no, we still got a little bit to go. All right. Also, we got out a little early, but in this crazy market, trying to go against the trend. Okay, let's see. We'll go short if we come up to this high pivot here. See if that'll work. 1,000 shares on margin. Looking for it to reverse. Got about 30 seconds. Get a push up there. That was probably it. Let me see. Got about 16, 15 seconds. Okay, we'll go short here. Tell you what, it's hanging up there a little more than I want. I mean, I don't know. I don't like that. Tell you what, let me pull this in so you can see it. I mean, it is hanging up here, you know, kind of strong, but it's not necessarily ripping through there. Of course, as soon as I say that, it'll rip up to the 20. But we might go ahead and call it good here. Oh, well, I'll hold in a second more. I don't want all that to, let's see here. Okay, we're gonna wait for the close. See how it closes. The close is red. We'll hang another 50 seconds. And we'll see if we'll fall back down. Here we go. Tell you what, this it goes back under there again. Tell you what, we're gonna go ahead and really thinking I'll get out of here. About 20 seconds. 21, 20. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get out. What was that one? Oh man, now I'm having issues. Okay, 220, it's still running. Okay, let me go to the daily. Right now, it's not letting me get out of this thing. Thank goodness it's to the good, what we're trying to do. Let me refresh that. $170. Okay. All right. Man, that was a little scary there for a second. Okay, guys. Thanks for playing along. We will see you on the charts.